Today I'm going to be doing a side marker bulb. This guy, not the turn signal. This just illuminates whenever you have the headlights on. This is going to be on a Nissan Versa 2019 to 2024. This is a 2024 model, but it is the same for all of the vehicles in that generation. Now we're going to pop into here and identify the bulb first. And there it is with the green wires coming out. It's going to be this guy here. So this is tricky. You have to use a fair bit of force to get this, but I'm going to put my thumb here and I'm going to rotate counterclockwise from the perspective of the driver's seat. So I'm rotating this way. So push in a little, rotate, and that guy pops out. And there we are. And now to replace this, we just pull. Always wear gloves when you're doing this. Put it in. Sometimes these bulbs can be directional, so make sure if you put it in one way, you might, if you get it in wrong, you might have to flip it depending on the brand of bulb or the bulb fixture. So if you're troubleshooting, always flip the bulb 180 degrees to see if that's the issue. Then we come back in, and one of the things that makes this difficult is this little rubber seal here, so you have to push a little bit to click it into place. Then when we put it in, we insert it, find our little notches, and turn clockwise. So that guy goes in here, and done. That's how you do a side marker bulb on a Nissan Versa. If this was helpful, please give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.